Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox error that says you must reset your password before continuing. This usually happens when Roblox detects suspicious activity on your account or if your password is outdated. To start, go to the Roblox login page and click Forgot Password or Username. Enter your email address or phone number linked to your account. Roblox will send you a security code for the password reset. Open your email, copy the code, and paste it on the designated text field. Once it's verified, you'll then be asked to create a new password. Make sure it's strong and unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've updated your password, log back into Roblox with the new credentials. If you don't get the reset email, check your spam folder or try using your phone number instead. If it's still not working, go to Roblox support and submit a ticket with your account details for help. After resetting, you should be able to continue playing without the error. And that's how you fix the Roblox password reset issue. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.